Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we'll explore one of the most exciting and amazing tutorial in AutoCAD. How to create Lisp routine using DeepSeek AI tools. Lisp routines is just additional tool in AutoCAD that help you automate most of the common tasks. Okay. So the task is creating auto level using DeepSeek AI tools for AutoCAD. Okay. We'll see DeepSeek AI tools is capable or not in creating list routines. Okay. Again, the task is we will create auto leveling list routines using DeepSeek AI tools. So let this very carefully. Let this maximize full screen. Start now, and we have to explain our auto leveling task. Make a Lisp that help placing leveling in AutoCAD. When I type C level exactly your short key, okay, it can be your own. Then it asks to choose point for initial level. 0 means first point consider initial level, which is 0. And when I go straight to plus y direction, it give plus value. And when I go minus y direction, it give minus value. Okay. For example, like for plus y direction, if I go 60 y direction, then it give plus 60.00 level, and so on. As much as I go up, it always count from initial level. And same for minus y direction. If I go minus y60, then it give minus 60.00 level. I'm explaining detailed situation, our Lisp routine task. Okay. And main thing, while it must contain initial level which was plus 00, and for y direction it give plus value, and for minus y direction it give minus value. So we have explained detailed situation here. Make this Lisp layer based. Keep layer name auto leveling and color green or text color, okay, and keep text height 40 unit. Write this Lisp comprehensively. What I explain here, make a Lisp that help placing leveling in AutoCAD. The short key C level, okay, and when I go plus value, then it will give plus, and go minus value straight to y or straight to minus y. It give always count from initial level. So we have to explain situation perfectly. Okay, it might takes repeated input. It is not exactly in one time. Okay, so we have explained detailed situation here. This is our task, and I have convinced as best as I can. Okay, now we'll choose Deep Think R1. This is what exactly. This will analyze your answer from multiple perspective. Okay, and just click here. Okay, just wait for a while. It is thinking deeply, okay, and it will identify from different aspects. It will analyze in deep level, okay. So let this as it is. Just wait for a while. Now it analyze perfectly and giving our final Lisp code, okay. This is our final Lisp code which we are getting from DeepSeek, okay. Story not finished. Let this very carefully, okay. Deep think take 378 seconds to just thinking deeply and analyzing possible result, okay. It took 378 seconds just for analyzing. Now this is our final script. What you do, come to here, copy this code. We will see it is working or not. Load application. The simple template we have. This is not exactly code, just simple template here. Open here, paste this code here, okay, and just wait for a while. Save and close. Right? What we have placed? Our task is leveling and the short key C level, right? Just mention here properly. Now, the final conclusion, we will see it is working or not. Save and close. So the short key C level, right? Type here C level. Okay, command detected. Just choose your initial point 0, 0, right? We'll choose this one. We'll consider 0, 0. Okay. See what happened exactly. Yes, it detected plus 0, 0, 150, 400 and 650. If we go minus, we should get minus 150. Okay, we will see from different aspects. For example, if I will take from 0 level, this much height, how much we are getting? 650, and our leveling also 650. If you go minus, if you see here, we have chosen reference plus 0 level, and rest all we are getting as per that initial level 0, 0. We will check again, we are getting fraction value or not. Let this any random point, okay? This random point. And click repeatedly. Now you see here, if you go plus, it will consider plus, and you go minus, it will consider minus. Exactly this Lisp working perfectly fine with AutoCAD. So the conclusion is we have created this Lisp routine using DeepSeek AI tools. If you want to create your own custom Lisp routines, the thing you have to do, you have to sharpen your input. Okay, it is exactly not like one time you input and you are getting correct Lisp routine. You have to convince multiple time, okay, to get your final result. As always, these text height, color, style you can choose as per your own. You can customize these, okay. So this Lisp working perfectly fine. I will share this Lisp routine with you. Just test with your AutoCAD and let me know it is working exactly as we are doing here or not. Okay. If you want me to create another Lisp routine, just mention below. I will try to cover it. Okay. And must leave your feedback. I have created more than 100 Lisp routines using AI tools. If you want to explore a deep dive, you must check out the link below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic. So how you got this tutorial? Must leave your comment. This will encourage me upload great quality tutorial on regular basis. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment.